So, what are contracts? So, contracts is a meeting of minds between two or more persons whereby one binds himself with respect to the other to give something or to render service. So, ibig sabihin nito, may two or more persons na nagkasundo pwedeng may ibibigay or may gagawin. Now, as to the binding force. So, an obligation arising from contracts have the force of law between the contracting parties. They have the same binding effect of obligation imposed by law. Pero, however, hindi ibig sabihin na mas superior ang contract kesa sa law. Requirements of a valid contract. So, a contract is valid assuming na yung mga essential elements are present like yung consent, object, cost. Tsaka, if the contract is not contrary to law, morals, good customs, public order, and public policy. Breach of contract, it takes place when a party fails or refuses to comply without legal reason or justification with his obligation under the contract as promised. So, may breach of contract kapag hindi nagawa or ayaw gawin yung napagkasunduan sa contract without legal reason or justification. Now, ano naman itong complied with in good faith? So, compliance or performance in accordance with the stipulations or terms of the contract or agreement. So, compliance in good faith, ibig sabihin nito, yung mga parties in a contract, in the performance of their contractual duties, dapat sila ay honest and sincere. So, example natin si Pedro at si Maria. Si Pedro, nag-agree siya na ibenta niya yung bahay niya kay Maria. Ngayon naman, itong si Maria, pumayag na bilhin yung bahay ni Pedro, voluntarily and willingly. So, in this case, bound sila sa terms of their contract and neither party may upon by his own will, without any justifiable reason, withdraw from the contract or escape from his obligation. So, kailangan they must comply it with in good faith. Ngayon naman, paano kunwari si Maria, ayoko na palang bilhin yung bahay mo. So, ang nangyari dyan, breach of contract. Another example, si Pedro tsaka si Maria ulit. So, si Maria sabi niya, Pedro, bibigyan kita ng 1,000 pesos, patayin mo lang tong si Juan. Ngayon, in this case, void tong contract na to kasi contrary siya sa law. Now, ito naman si Juan tsaka si Pedro. Ngayon, itong si Juan may utang kay Pedro. Sabi ni Juan, Pedro, pwede bang hanggat di ko nababayaran yung utang ko, magsisilbi na lang muna ako sa'yo ng libre. Dito, void din yung contract kasi contrary siya sa law tsaka sa morals.